One really useful tool in AutoCAD is to save your page setups. This will help you save a lot of time while you're printing because it will basically save all of your options that you have selected in your plot dialog box. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up a print as if we were going to actually run a print. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Adobe PDF here to make this into a PDF. We can go to plot to file, letter size, page size, we can choose whatever we want. I'm going to just choose something different here so that we can see whether it's actually working. What to plot, we'll choose, let's just say display is fine for now. Fit to paper, we'll go ahead and set that at a different scale. So 1/8 of an inch equals a foot. And then I'm going to just uncheck some of these things so that we go over here and make sure that we're actually not checked when we finish the setup here. So once we have everything set up just like we like it, we can go to add here, and I'm just going to add setup temp and then click OK. Then I'm going to click out of this and click cancel. And then if we go to plot again, you'll see that it defaults back to our original screen. But if we click down on this and go to setup temp, it will actually redo all of those settings for us, and then all we would have to do is click OK. So that's one really quick way to set up things so that they go smoothly every single time. So if you get a plot setup that you really like, then you can go through and do this and add your own. You can also go out and save these, so you can save the actual page setup. So we'll click cancel out of here. Another nice thing is if you're using layouts, what you can do is you can right click and go to page setup manager. And then if we go in here and click new, we'll click setup temp 2. We can click OK, and then it's going to bring up the same screen. So we can now go in again and we say letter, we'll print the whole layout, we'll print the layout as 1:1. So here we're going to want the layout as actually 1:1. And then let's change something around here. So instead of grayscale, let's do screening, and then we'll uncheck plot paper space last. And we'll go in and click OK, and we'll see that setup temp 2 pops up there. So the nice thing then is if we go to here and we right click and we go to page setup manager, we can click on that, and that will automatically default all of the same things to this page as we have to our last page. So if you're using layouts, that's a really nice way to make sure that all of your layouts are printing properly. And then those are actually the settings that will go in and apply if you do a batch plot to do all of your pages at one time.